Hello everyone, today we have fixed rear guard at Supercar Decor, Karimnagar. This is stainless steel back bumper with 1 year service warranty, and also we have fixed full matting at Supercar Decor. It is eco-friendly, non-smelly, and you can easily wash, clean your full matting. It is 1.8 mm. Please visit Supercar Decor Karimnagar, and we have given grass mat. It is completely very thick. My mobile number is 7893264066. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share the video and subscribe the video. This is Saji, Supercar Decor, Karimnagar.